Sophia's passion for cooking. I'm a host, Sophia. Today I'm going to make another tasty summer recipe sesame chicken on skewers with hot and sweet peanut sauce. Before I start, I just want to say a special thanks to you for your continuous support. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe and also hit the bell to see all my uploads immediately. Let's get started. Take some skewers and soak them in water for a minimum of 30 minutes to avoid burning them. I'm using 3 pounds of chicken tenderloin, washed and patted dry. In a mixing bowl, add all the following ingredients: 3 tablespoons of toasted sesame seed oil. It gives the extra flavor to this recipe. 2 teaspoons of sesame seeds. 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. 1 teaspoon of paprika. Salt to taste. 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. And 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Let all the ingredients get well incorporated. Marinate the chicken. Make it and leave it in the refrigerator as long as you can wait. Overnight is best. The longer you marinate, the better the taste will be. Cover it with a cling wrap. I'm going to leave it in the refrigerator for 4 hours. Take the skewers out and pat them dry. Take each skewer and insert it into the chicken all the way to the other end. You can't even see the skewer in between the meat. I already preheated the grill. Spread some oil so that the chicken won't stick on them. Put the chicken on the grill on medium-low heat for 5 minutes each side. Close the grill and cook. Do not overcook or the meat will become tough. Apply more sauce on the top and flip them over. Cover it and cook for 5 more minutes. If you don't have an outdoor grill, you can also make it in a frying pan. Just add a little oil and cook on medium for 5 minutes each side. Turn the grill off. Look at the grill marks. So beautiful. Perfect for an appetizer or entree with some vegetables, baked potatoes or noodles will be best too. I'm going to make some sweet and spicy peanut sauce which goes very well with this dish. In a small mixing bowl, add 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, 1 teaspoon of lime juice, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1.5 teaspoon of sugar, 2 teaspoon of coconut powder or you may substitute with coconut cream, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. Adjust your taste. Mix it well. And finally add 3 tablespoons of hot water and mix it well. This sauce is really spicy. Please adjust your taste. Try it today and let me know what you think. You always welcome to leave your comments and suggestions, or if you want to share your recipes, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Check out my other videos. Bye bye.